enough to check the newest collection from Chanel 25P. I'm so excited because there's a few pieces from this collection that are so beautiful. Hopefully they are available so we can try it and see how they look like. So hope you enjoy the vlog. Let's go. First, a quick stop in Santa Barbara. Hello, buddy.
Hi.
We are back from visiting the Chanel boutique. Well, I was back like a couple of days ago, and yes, I did some damage. I definitely did some damage, and let me tell you a little bit more about this 25P collection from Chanel. I'm honestly looking for a specific bag, but there are many new bags that are beautiful. Some of them a little bit more edgy, like for example there are some more hobo bags, bucket bags too, as you were able to see by the footage. I also noticed that the smaller bags, some of them they are made with caviar leather, which many of us we have been asking for. I love lambskin, I love caviar, but it's really nice and refreshing to see just different kind of bags for every kind of a style, because not everybody is the classic Chanel girl, right? I think we all have different approach to fashion and something called more than other things. So there was a really nice variation of things. So what did I end up getting from this collection? You may be asking. Oh my gosh. Well, the first thing is something that I think I said once upon a time that I will never get. Never. Well, I like because it's here. It's here, and honestly I didn't saw myself buying this kind of item. Sure, by the box you may know what it is. Yes, they are a pair of shoes. In a specific, honestly I never saw myself on these, but when I saw the color, the variation, the detail, I had to have them. And let me know if you think this is like ridiculous or not, because my husband and my oldest daughter and even my youngest daughter, they were both like, no mom, no. Yet I said yes. Are the dad sandals in this light pink color, but look at these details. It's just so pretty. So these are adjustable, and if you may recall, I do have some Hermes sheep sandals in the same color, and I love them so much. And those are kind of like also quote unquote dad sandals. These ones, they just have a little bit of a bling. One thing though is that I noticed that here they are just not tight, but kind of like they wrap on the top of my foot. Not very comfortable, so I'm planning to, while I'm here at home, kind of like quote unquote like wear them straight rectamy, basically with a good pair of like heavy socks, and I think that will work. Let me know if you experience the same thing with your, if you have these kind of sandals, the dad sandals. And the difference between these dad sandals and the ones that we have seen previously, I mean, this style has come to, but not as much, or at least not that I recall or remember of. I think the gold ones, they came like this. what I'm trying to say is that they had that strap on the back. These ones, they do not. They have the quilt, which I think is very much Chanel. I had my eyes on a gold one, plain, no quilt, but they didn't come out with that style since, I don't know, like 2023, I think. So, I mean, I look in the pre-love market, but my size is kind of a little bit hard to find. So there you have it, my new that sandals from Chanel. Super, super, super cute. It came, you know, with their little baggies here, if you're wondering. And then I purchased something else. I have it here. So I have been eyeing since Cruise Collection, 25 Cruise Collection, the Chanel 25 bag. I told you, friends, that is my kind of bag. It's a hobo bag. It is a seasonal bag that perhaps it will be stay in the collection if it's well received. I think after, you know, promoting it with Dua Lipa, I think a lot of people are just gonna be like, oh yes, I want that bag in my collection. But the color that I want, it's coming in the next collection, which is the Act 2 for the spring collection, which is what, 25S, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my gosh, all these numbers and whatnot, but it's the one that is coming in March. I was also eyeing the black one, but they didn't have it in calfskin or lambskin leather. They only had it in suede. And I know you're gonna tell me, Jacqueline, suede is so big, you should take it, you should take it. I know. So I'm supposed to get back to my client advisor, you know, today and confirm whether I want or not this bag. Let me know what I should do in a size small, which is the perfect size for me, by the way. And then I also fell in love with this tweed white jacket with all the pearls on the side. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous, so beautiful. They didn't have it on my size, so we are on the search of my size. I don't know if to pull the trigger or not, because one thing, it does have 2 pockets on the side, and I rather have no pockets or just like little details at the bottom. But the jacket is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. And a white jacket, a white tweed jacket from Chanel, it's just a dream. Okay, it's just a dream. So those are 2 updates. So the bag, it's pending, and the jacket is pending because the size. So what was my second purchase, you may ask? Another pair of shoes. And these ones I saw in Chanel in Las Vegas. I was there, it was really busy, and honestly I entered with my youngest daughter, and I mean, one person greeted me but didn't offer help. And at the moment, obviously, I wasn't looking for anything in specific, but then I was looking around, and no client advisor came to, you know, approach me or anything. So I felt like, well, they must be all busy. My daughter, she wanted a gelato. You know, obviously she was tired of just going around shops. I'm talking about my youngest daughter. So she's little, but I saw these shoes and I tried them on, the ones from the display, and I really, really like them. And then if you have been watching my content, mostly this video right here, you know that I got a taste of something very alike to these babies, and this is why I pulled the trigger. You see? You really see? Look what I got. Look what I got. Oh my gosh, these Chanel beige sandals are gorgeous, are so beautiful. They sparkle so much. They are stunning. I love that they are just simply beige, so they will go with absolutely everything. They are just so beautiful, so beautiful. Made in Italy, just gorgeous, just gorgeous. Oh, stunning. I'm usually a size 37.5 in Chanel. For this is from, by the way, from the previous collection, which is Cruise, right? It was Cruise? I'm pretty sure. Let me see if it says on the box. It may say on the box. Oh yeah, 25 is right there on my face. 25C collection. I really love them. They are so beautiful and super comfortable. The leather is so plush. Oh, I was saying about the size. So from the 25C collection and for this 25P collection, both of the collection, I had to go half size down, which I know. I'm like, Really? What happened there? I mean, I'm not complaining, but FYI, just to let you know. So there you have it, my friends. Those were my 2 purchases from this visit to the Chanel boutique. I got something from the current collection and the previous collection, and I have 2 items on my wish list. Should I pull the trigger on that jacket? Let me know. If they find it on my size, should I get it? Should I get it? Please, please, please leave your comment. Let me know which pieces of this collection you are vibing with, which ones are those that you're like, oh my gosh, I would love to get it. Let me know how you're liking the new Chanel 25 bag. It's gonna be the it bag. I mean, since the moment that I saw it on the runway, I wanted it, and I had been asking my client advisor to get it for me. But when the 25C collection launched, I wasn't available. I was out of town. And then when I wanted to see it again, I was again out of town. It has been quite of like November, December, January, not chaotic, but just busy months in general. So I haven't been able to get my hands on, at least the bag. And yeah, the tweed jacket. Oh my goodness. Let me know, friends, what are your thoughts? Leave the comment in the comment section down below while you're at it. If you haven't done so yet, I have other unboxings. So I will suggest you to subscribe to the channel because it's completely free. Why not? Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share with family and friends. It will help me so much. The channel is growing, and it's because all of you, and I'm just so excited about it. I'm just super excited about it because it has been a work of 5 years plus. But anyhow, thank you so much again for watching. If you're on Instagram and TikTok, come and follow me there. And if you're not done watching my content, I will be leaving a couple other videos at the end of the screen that I'm sure you're gonna love. See you then. Bye.